Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel, The Ilocanos and Cuyunon. For today's video, we're going to share about the assembly of lampshade. There are times when fixed lightings within a room, particularly if the light source is visible, can contribute to make our eyes tired. This can trigger headaches and may affect our concentration. One solution is to use the lampshade to diffuse the glare or strong intensity of the light source. It can also improve the appearance of the room. It has three major functions, namely, number 1, it softens the light from the light bulb or other light source and reduces the glare. Number 2, it covers the lamp hardware for better appearance. Number 3, it serves to focus on direct the light from the lamp in a desired position. There are different types of lampshade as to its function and mounting, such as A. Wall, B. Floor, C. Hanging, and D. Tabletop lampshade. The most common type of lampshade is the tabletop. It is usually made of a wire frame covered with fabric, seashells, plastic, or paper. The shape may be cylindrical, conical, or square. Next is how to measure the shade. Number 1, make a pattern using cartolina or Manila paper. Number 2, put a mark for the specific desired measurement. Number 3, with the use of compass, make a half circle following the marking of the exact measurement, 2 1/4 and 6 inches. Number 4, cut the pattern. Take note of the allowances for overlapping. Number 5, then fold the pattern in a cylindrical form. Let's move on to the suggested materials needed for the assembly of lampshade. 1-piece incandescent bulb or compact fluorescent lamp, 5 to 10 watts. 1-piece bulb socket. 1-piece single pole switch. 1-piece PVC pipe or other pipes, 1 foot long and in half diameter. 1-piece male plug. 2 meters flat cord, number 18. 1-piece lampshade base out of recycled materials like plastic container bottles, flower base, or others. 1-piece shade out of any single or available materials in a community such as fabric, seashell, abaca fiber, plastic, or paper. Any decorating materials such as pebbles, beads, sequins, and others. Let's move on to the procedure of the assembly of the lampshade. Number 1, secure all the materials needed. Number 2, prepare the tools and instrument needed. Number 3, analyze the wiring diagram. Number 4, mount the bulb socket at one end of the pipe. Number 5, insert the flat cord along the pipe and connect it to the bulb socket. Do the underwriter's knot. Number 6, bore appropriate hole for the base of the lampshade. Number 7, insert the other ends of the wire to the hole. Number 8, install the switch somewhere in the middle of the flat cord. Number 9, install the male plug at the end of the wire. Don't forget, do the underwriter's knot. Number 10, position the pipe at the center of the base. Number 11, place the pebbles inside the container so that the pipe can stand alone. Number 12, make the frame or skeleton of the lampshade using the wire considering the dimension of the shade. Number 13, put decorating materials like beads, sequins, glitters, and other materials available to enhance the physical appearance. Number 14, insert the shade of the frame after connecting the lamp to the socket. Number 15, apply voltage to the lampshade and observe performance. Number 16, troubleshoot the circuit if necessary. As a sort of reminder, it's very important to choose the right size of lampshade. Light bulbs emit a lot of heat. The paper or fabric lampshade that is too close to the light bulb can become a fire hazard. Likewise, cylindrical lampshade should always have enough clearance and venting to allow heat to escape. Never cover the top of the lampshade with a scarf or other fabric, as this can cause a fire. Okay, for your activity 1, direction, discuss the 3 major functions of the lampshade. Next is activity 2, direction. Among the different types of lampshade, what do you think is the most practical and convenient to use, and why? That's all for today. It's shout out time! Una na sa ating listahan na babatiin ng Mega Love Shoutout ang mga taga Water Lily. Ang pagbati ay mula sa inyong beshi student na si Renz Badajos. Isunod na rin natin na batiin ng Mega Love Shoutout si Ronaldo Romualdo na sabi niya, "Ma'am, di ko akalain na matatawag ang pangalan ko. Thanks po ma'am, salamat po uli. Salamat din sa iyong suporta palangga." Mega love shoutout din para kay Catalino Tanyag at nagpapa-shoutout po siya. So, salamat palangga sa iyong suporta at panunood ng ating mga videos. Humanda na rin ang mga taga-section Catleya sapagkat may pa-shoutout ulit sa inyo ang inyong beshi student na si Ging Mipa. Salamat sa inyong panunood at salamat sa suporta mga palangga. Hindi rin patatalo sa pa-shoutout ang mga taga-section Marigold sapagkat mega love shoutout din sa inyo, sabi o ayon kay Mel Ashley. Salamat sa inyong panunood at suporta mga palangga. Mega love shoutout din para sa ating avid viewers na si Welbert Arginal na nagtataka kung bakit naiba raw ang boses ng mom niya. Ako lang din ito, Wilbert. Huwag ka mag-alala. Salamat sa panunood. Pagbati rin ng happy wedding sa bagong kasal na sila Brother Ronald Embontorio at Sister Marites Lateo na ikinasal noong October 15, 2022. Hangad namin ang masaya ninyong pagsasama mga palangga. Kaya't kumayat nga i-shout out dagiti kakasinsin ko dita tugay garaw Cagayan ni Manang Bibit na imbag nga bigat kada kayo amin dita. Ikararag tayo nga makaawit kami dita palubos ni Apo. At para naman po sa iba na gusto rin magpa-shoutout, i-text nyo lang ang inyong mga shoutout at greetings dyan sa ating comment section o sa ating chat box. At ito po'y aking pupusuan. At kayo po ay aking babatiin sa susunod nating mga videos. At para naman po or kung kayo naman po ay nagustuhan nyo itong ating video, paki-like naman po. Paki-share na rin po itong ating mga video para mas marami pa pong makapanood ng ating mga videos. Para naman po sa iba na hindi pa nakasubscribe sa ating channel, baka naman po, kung maaari lang naman po, ay subscribe din po itong ating channel at paki-click na rin po ang notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga parating nating mga videos. Hanggang sa muli, ito po ang inyong lingkod. Ilocano po ang aking nanay at Kuyunon po ang aking tatay at ako po ay proud Pinay!